my name's Tony Mignano. And through some word of mouth, I heard about these folks here. Good reviews from a couple people I've talked to, one of them being my nephew. And I thought, what the heck, I need some help. Not pulling the RPMs I need to at the sand dunes, my new tires, so everything helps. So I just thought I'd come down and see what these folks had to offer, and we'll see what happens. Well, it sure is a big difference. You know, right out of the gate, just got right up to 7,800. It stayed right, it stayed right up to 78, like almost right off the bat, and all the way up. So yeah, it worked good, really good. Much different than the stock.
Did it feel more responsive?
Oh yeah, it's much, especially on the bottom end. The bottom, yeah. The top end's a little different. The top end, I don't know how to describe it, but it's great. It's right there, you know. So, it seems to be pretty good.
Sweet. Thank you, Tony.
Yeah.